Hello crafter! Today I'm going to show you a giant scrapbook I made on the occasion of my marriage. I'm an Indian and in India, a marriage is not just a union of two persons but also two families. This giant scrapbook shows not only my journey but also the journey of our families with photos up to 30 years ago. It is a voyage down the memory lane. Stick around till the end because I will reveal a very unique idea at the end. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to watch more such videos. Enough talk, let's get on with this beautiful journey. The text on the front means golden memories. This is the printed invitation card of our marriage. This page is actual invitation. And this is the list of ceremonies. Indian marriages have a whole lot of ceremonies and only very few are listed here. This is a poem detailing the emotions of daughter's parents on her marriage. First photo has my husband with each of our parents and his late grandfather's photo in the front. Second photo has several more family members. Here are his grandparents and some pics of his childhood with them. This is something my mother-in-law wrote to give her blessings to this creation. And here are both of us with our family. Some more pics of my in-laws from several years ago when they were studying or getting married. This is my younger brother, my mom, his younger brother, and me in school. How different I look now. This is a magnetic stripe which keeps the flaps together. This is a pic of me with my lovely family, and these are some pics from my childhood. So nostalgic. These are some more pics from my husband's childhood. More and more pics organized in unique ways. My husband right after he landed his first job. This is where both the families met for the first time. My mother and my mother-in-law traveling together to a home whose doors open, windows open, and everyone gets together. Amazing, na? This is when our marriage was finalized. Some pics of my mother-in-law from more than 20 years ago. And of our marriage 30 years ago. More and more pics. Some pics of my husband with his younger and elder brothers. And this is me. These are few pics from our pre-wedding shoot. I love these pics. We spent days wearing different costumes and posing in different styles. It was so much fun. More pics from the shoot. These are from our engagement ceremony. More cute pics. This is a family pic clicked right after we got engaged. And now, as promised at the beginning of the video, let me show you something very unique family tree made of paper. This is the family tree of 4 generations, starting from my mother-in-law's grandparents. This is us. You know what's cool about it? It is color-coded such that all the members of one generation are represented by the same color. This means if someone needs to find all his cousins, he just needs to look at all the leaves with the same color as his. Simple. This is a great way to teach our children about our ancestors, and they can find all their brothers and sisters in one go. Super fun, right? In fact, I like this idea so much that I've made 2 more family trees starting with different people. This one starts with my grandpa and grandma and covers 3 generations. And finally, my husband's family tree. This is a huge tree of 6 generations, starting from his great-great-great-grandparents. It also follows the color codes. It just mesmerizes me to realize that we are so deeply connected to so many people from so many different eras. Just think about it. Anyone in the family who walked upon this very earth in the past 150 years has his or her name recorded in this tree. Isn't it super cool? So, this brings me to the end of the scrapbook. Which portion did you like the most? Do let me know in the comments below. And if you liked the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. More videos are on the way. Press the bell icon to get notified of new videos immediately. Happy memo crafting!